Amitabh Bachchan has shown marvelous performance and has won millions of hearts of people through movies like Sholay, Kalia, Bhagwan, Pa, and many more. But did you know that the Big B of Bollywood is also highly educated? Yes, he completed his graduation from the Sherwood College in Nainital and then pursued to double major in arts and science from Kirori Mal College. King Khan of Bollywood, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, is one of the actors with the most educational qualification. As we all know, SRK was brilliant as a student in both his school and college days and has also earned a number of awards to show for his brilliant efforts. SRK did his schooling from St. Columbia School and then went to Hansraj College to pursue his graduation degree in economics and then went to the Jamia Millia Islamia to study mass communication. Top 3. John Abraham. John Abraham has done his college from the reputed Narsi Monji College of Management Studies and completed his degree in MBA. He did his schooling from Bombay Scottish School and then went on to earn a degree in economics from Jai Hind College. Top 4. Vidya Balan. Vidya Balan came into the world of acting at the age of 16 with the iconic television show Hum Paanch. She did her education in sociology from St. Xavier's College and pursued a master's degree from the University of Mumbai before entering into the industry. Top 5. Ayushmann Khurrana. Ayushmann is currently the most sensational actor of Bollywood. Ayushmann has a rich educational background. He has a bachelor's degree in English literature from DAV College, Chandigarh. He completed his master's in mass communication from the School of Communication Studies in Chandigarh. Pariniti Chopra holds a triple honours degree in business, finance and economics from Manchester Business School, the UK. Top 7. Soha Ali Khan. The Pataudi princess and daughter of Sharmila Tagore and Tiger Pataudi, Soha Ali Khan holds a bachelor's degree in modern history from Balliol College, Oxford. She also has a master's degree in international relations from the London School of Economics and Political Science, UK. Top 8. Randeep Hooda. Randeep Hooda has finished his graduation in marketing and post-graduation is business management and human resource management from Australia. Like his impressive Bollywood career, Randeep Hooda too has a very impressive, highly educational background. Top 9. Varun Dhawan. People would usually think that actor like Varun Dhawan would not be highly educated, but he is one of the most educated actors of Bollywood. Varun Dhawan has a degree in business management from the Nottingham Trent University, UK. And last but not the least, we have Sara Ali Khan. Sara Ali Khan has succeeded in winning all hearts with her charismatic personality, and also she credits education being a reason behind her confidence and charm. Sara did her schooling from Basin Montessori School, Mumbai, and then went to Columbia University in New York to pursue history and political science. For more such Bollywood updates, keep on watching Sharmila Showhouse Bollywood.
I think Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
Absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.